Hey, I figured I'd do a video of all my bags. Kind of worth showing off. Yeah, I'm a DeWalt guy. Get that out of the way. Yeah, this is the van. This is my main bag that I use most of the time. The Tech OTLC. Got my meter level, markers, skinny, Klein, insulated, Wera, multi-ratcheting, turbo, insulated, Xerox saw, 90-degree bit, cat's paw extensions, square. I just keep wire nuts in here. Got the DeWalt new impact. I got the 9-volt DeWalt, mostly for twisting wire nuts. Strippers, Klein dikes, Klein crimpers. Got the twin grip Nipex. Got the Nipex strippers, Nipex bolt cutters, Nipex long nose water pump, Nipex side cutters, and then standard Cobras, Klein tracer knife. That's about it for that guy. Then I got my Occidental tool belt, strippers, sheetrock saw, and a knife, little screwdriver, bolt tester, yeah, wooden hammer, got the bits, Wera beater, insulated needle nose, got the comfort grip, Nipex strippers, 12-inch Cobras, and other side cutters. Got some wire nuts in here. Got a little level in there, knife, Pica pencil, level, Roto zip. Pretty much that. And then got the new XD blackout. Got the power stack, another one of the DeWalt impacts. The little tape measure, Pica pencil, fastback with the screwdriver. And open it up. Got my T6, some gloves, headlamp, insulated Wera for breakers and whatnot. You probably use this one a little more. Xerox saw, glow in dark strippers, Klein needle nose strippers. Got the checkpoint level, love that. I got some of these, what are they? Vessel ratcheting. I can't really endorse these yet. I'm not sure if I like those or not. I got this one, it's battery powered. Got the beater, got the 14-in-1, got a few more bits in there. And then the sockets, the electronic screwdriver, eraser, got the little Cobras, Klein, little ratchet, got the little Klein GFI tester. That's about it. And so I'm using this bag when I don't want to carry all the weight of my OTLC bag. And then what I keep in my personal truck is the Tech Pack Wheeler. And you know, this has got all my tools that I don't want to use. Got another pair of Cobras and the Cobra skinnies, PVC cutters, tin snips, some lineman pliers, smaller ones. Oh, these are all comfort grip. And then the bigger linemen's, and needle nose, insulated needle nose. Got the insulated Nipex knife. Got a Bosch Blaze laser measure there. Got the little cutters. I got a pair of Croc Juniors. Don't really use those too much. And then I got these guys. This is chrome vanadium. I think they're made by Bates. Haven't really used them yet, but got sick of pulling all these staples with my dikes. Got the multi-tap. Another one of these Fiskars. Fisker is the only one that makes the knife and the saw, so like that. Beater, Allen's, insulated. You can pop those in and out. Got my long 1/4 inch flathead, and then I keep a insulated Weehaw in there. Stud finder, not that I ever use it. Little parts container in the front. The holster magnet holds a tool if I need an extra hand. Got the hammer on the side, tape measure on the side, and here I got my Weehaw torque screwdriver with all its bits. Then I got a little 12-volt drill in here. Got the USB tester. Got the Klein tester that does the AFI and the GFI, which is nice. And then I got in here's my clamp meter, fluke clamp meter. Yeah, that's a quick rundown of all my tools. Not everything to a T, but you can kind of see what I'm working with. Thanks for watching.